In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your account and choose the right subscription plan. First, make sure you're signed in. On the top right corner of the screen, click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you can quickly get to settings that control your plan and payments. From that menu, select Billing and Upgrade. This is the dashboard where you can see your current plan, manage invoices, and, most importantly, start an upgrade. Next, decide how you want to be billed. You can choose monthly if you prefer flexibility and lower upfront cost, or yearly if you want the best overall value. Yearly billing typically offers a discount over paying month to month, but it does require a longer commitment. Pick the cadence that fits your budget and how long you expect to use the service. Click Choose Plan to open the available options. You'll see tiers like Light, Plus, and Premium. Take a moment to review what each tier includes. Things like usage limits, advanced features, or priority support. If you're just starting out, Light may cover the basics. If you want more capacity or tools for growing workflows, Plus is a strong middle ground. Premium is designed for heavier use or teams that need top-tier features. If it's offered, you can optionally add team members or specific add-ons. Adding teammates usually creates separate seats so each person gets access with their own login, and costs are often calculated per seat. Add-ons can extend functionality without moving to a higher plan. Only include what you know you'll use. You can always adjust later. When your selection looks right, click Review and Pay. Carefully confirm the plan, the billing cycle, the number of seats or add-ons, and any taxes or fees. This quick check helps you avoid surprises. Now enter your payment details. Provide the card information and billing address exactly as they appear with your bank to prevent declines. The checkout is secure, and you can save the payment method if you plan to renew automatically. Finally, click Confirm or Upgrade to complete the purchase. You should see a success message, and your new features will activate shortly. Look out for a confirmation email and invoice in your inbox. If you ever need to update your plan, add seats, or download past invoices, you can return to the same billing and upgrade area. That's it. Your account is upgraded and ready to go.